They got all kinds of clean, rare cars. I'll walk you guys through. They got all the price tags. Starting off with jzx100 Mark II Toro V, 30 grand. S13 Silvia, 28 grand. S14 Toki, 27. Oh, white's cool looking, huh? Koki S14 again. It's like 29 grand. Another stock body S13, 28 grand. This one, Torino GT, and 35 grand. People be tripping on the prices, but Japan's going up quicker than US. And Zenki 22, 20 grand. There's another Varietta S15 open car. Silvia, Silvia with 180 front, 20 grand. あ、そうなんですか？そっちも見たいです。And they got better cars stored in here. Wow. Look at this. これショップの車なんですか？オーナーさんですか？そうですね。This shop's owner's race car. すごい。わあ。これ何キロですか？
これですね、距離がまあメーターで1万だけど、先にそれで7万なんですよ。だけど、距離は多分少ないはずです。中とかの下のサイドシールとかめちゃめちゃ綺麗なんですよ。
僕も同じ年式の3人持ってます。
あ、そうなんですか。
The bone stock, clean ass 180. Completely stock. Even the wheel. 1991 180 SX 5-speed turbo. 30 grand. 32 GTR 60 grand. I'll take you guys through this shop's inventory. They got all kinds of cool cars. Rocket Bunny Silvia, 40 grand. Silvia, 27 grand. There's another Silvia case. They're all turbo and most of them are turbo and manual. 22 grand. Another one beer, 25 grand. There's one Sil 80, 22 grand. Oh, sold. This one's sold. Wonder how much it was. Oh, this Evo is sold. Guess what this is called? Midget. Funny, huh? I thought that was funny. They called it midget. But another 180. Red is cool. 21. All the S chassis are over 20 grand. Most of them are high 20s. Oh, this one looks insane. What? Super made blister. This is Super made blister kit. No wonder I haven't seen it. And it's so wide. Corolla 11, 25 grand. And Type X, 37 grand. Koki, stock body Koki, 30 grand. Stock body Silvia, 27 grand. Another one beer, 20 grand. Koki S14. Dang, this one looks good. All black 180.
超かっこいいこれ。
All black valve. Looks really good.
全部黒超かっこいい。
Zenki S14. They have so many cool ones. Okay, what is it? This is Miata Roadstar, I believe. But you can't see. What the? This kit looks like Ferrari. What? Whoa. Crazy. Never seen Ferrari Roadstar. Now the 11, no. Sprinter Terreno, 25. Oh, first RX7 today. With sunroof. 39 grand. Another sunroof FD 100,000 kilo, 40 grand. Type RB, 40 grand with 68,000. This color is gangster. Silvia, 27. Goes and goes. And the owner even said this is not, he got different storage. He has double this. He has twice as much in stock. It's crazy. Civic is tight too with TE. Sheesh. I wonder if it's even for sale. Jeez. Started raining really hard, so wish I could show you guys more detail about each one of the car, but we gotta get going. But thought I would show you guys all the car at the regular shop and all the prices. Hope you enjoyed the shop tour. One day I'll have this much inventory like these guys. This will be the goal. But hope you enjoy seeing all these cool S chassis and whatnot. Just let me know if you guys need any cars imported from Japan. I'll be able to source it out in Japan and import it for you. See you later.
まずラーメンのお客様。はい、こちらラーメンになります。どうぞ。はい、魔王のお客様。はい、失礼します。はい、どうぞ失礼します。こちら白飯とこちら餃子とサービスの煮卵になります。はい。ご飯の方おかわり自由なんです。
やばいやばい、美味しそう。お肉あげる。いただきます。